Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be building a flywheel-powered car. I have here a flywheel gearbox, which we will use in building this car. The gear ratios of a flywheel gearbox system is that of a speed reducer. When we read the gearing starting from the flywheel, notice that the flywheel spins a lot faster than the output shaft. This is because of the speed reducer gear system. This means that the smaller gear on the flywheel is connected to the bigger gear on the output shaft. Now, we are going to open this up to get a closer look at it and also do some modifications. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.